Alright, this is chapter 2, number 74. Now we're going to go from name to formula in these. And it says give the formula each of the following ionic compounds. Letter A is sodium, and then phosphate, which is PO4. Look on your periodic table here, find out that phosphate is -3. Right on the front here, know that sodium is +1. Make sure that they add up to equal 0. This is fuzzy. Stop being fuzzy. There we go, that's better. +1, -3 equals 0. No, so I'm going to have 3 of these, so put a small 3 down here. There's sodium phosphate. Letter B, zinc nitrate. So zinc is where you put the dirty dishes, and then nitrate is NO3. This is -1. Zinc, if you don't have it written on your periodic table, put it on there right now. Zinc is always +2. +2 for zinc all the time. So +2, that's why it doesn't have a Roman numeral, because they just assume you're an experienced chemist that knows that zinc is always +2. So I need 2 of those nitrate right there to balance out one of the zincs. Letter C right here is barium bromate. So barium is Ba, it's +2 because it's in group 2 right here. And then bromate is BrO3 -1. Look that up on the polyatomic ions back here. Make sure that I have 2 of these, so it ends up being barium and then BrO3 with a 2. And then letter D, iron 2 perchlorate, so that's iron. It's going to have a +2 charge because there's a Roman numeral 2. Remember, the Roman numeral always speaks to the cation. It tells what the cation is. Then perchlorate is ClO4 and it's -1. So that means I'm going to have parentheses here and 2 of these to balance out this +2 charge right here. Letter E, cobalt hydrogen carbonate. So cobalt, it says, is +2 in this case because it's a Roman numeral 2. And hydrogen carbonate is CO3, that's -1. So that means I'm going to have 2 of these. So put parentheses here and put 2 of those there. So that's cobalt hydrogen carbonate. And then letter F, chromium acetate. So chromium acetate is Cr, and then acetate is C2H3O2. That's a -1 polyatomic ion that you might need to look up. Tells you that chromium's +3 right here, so then make sure that you have 3 of the C2H3O2s to balance that out. And then letter G, the last one, is potassium dichromate. Potassium's +1 all the time because it's in group 1, and then dichromate is Cr2O7, that's -2, so make sure you have 2 of those to balance out those charges, and that is number 74.